get it! We clean the whole house, and then we hide bread just to find it again? Yeah. Are we playing a game? Or doing a mitzvah? My teacher said, every mitzvah has something deeper inside it. Like what we see is only the outside? Let's look deeper. Wow, the action is just the top. But underneath, there's a whole world of meaning and intention to live by.
So what's the meaning of chametz?
Chametz is really just matzah with air.
So basically, bread that got a little too full of itself?
I need to be right. I want more. Look at me.
You see, chametz represents the part of us that gets puffed up. I need to be right. I want more. Look at me.
Oh, so it's not just crumbs.
So when we search for chametz, we're also searching inside ourselves to find the things that aren't so kind or don't help us be our best, and gently let them go.
Why do we use a feather? Because we don't fix things by being harsh. We use softness. And the spoon? To help carry each other when things feel heavy.
When we burn the chametz, we're not just burning bread.
We're practicing letting go. Not just destroying, but detaching.
The Sfat Emet teaches the goal isn't just to remove the chametz, it's to release our attachment to it.
To make space for something cleaner and lighter, more real.
We're letting go of the hot air.
So it's not just a search.
It's a reset. Living the mitzvot, not just the tip of the iceberg's action, but living its deeper meaning. This is what it means to be Hillel Chai.